Hey everyone, welcome back to your go-to place for smart tech tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT Plus, GPT-4, for free. Yes, you heard that right, free. First, go to Settings, then Personalization, then Personalized Instructions and click on Enable. In what tone or style should ChatGPT adopt? Copy and paste these instructions. The text is in the description. Thumbs up if this helped you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I drop new tech hacks every Tuesday and Friday. Loudspeaker, see you in the next video, and stay smart online.